Breaking news. Hurricane Erin has exploded into the first major storm of the 2025 Atlantic season. What started as a tropical wave off Africa just days ago has now intensified into a Category 5 hurricane, packing winds of 160 miles per hour. The storm's outer bands are already slamming the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico with torrential rain, flash flooding and dangerous winds. Even areas outside the Caribbean are on alert, as massive surf and rip currents are expected along the entire U.S. East Coast. Meteorologists warn that Erin's rapid intensification is fueled by unusually warm ocean waters, a clear sign of a hyperactive hurricane season ahead. For now, residents across the region are urged to stay prepared and stay safe, as Hurricane Erin continues its powerful march across the Atlantic.